everybody, it's Mark Everton of Ever Real Estate at Century 21. Here we are in the gorgeous community of Priddis. Only 10 minutes to the city, right on the Priddis private golf course. They have 36 holes. We're positioned right on the ridge. You have unbelievable views, which you will see with almost 7,800 square feet of living quarters of elegance and touch. 5 bedrooms, 4.5 bathrooms. It has been completely transformed with renovations from top to bottom, with over $1.5 million have been put into the renovations and completion. It is unbelievable, and the value here is exceptional. Let's start our tour of this most magnificent home and probably the best home in Hawks Landing. As you enter the home, you'll see you have this gorgeous entry. This custom-made door was done, very expensive, and the quality is spectacular. Throughout the whole house, everything's been redone. We're talking, there was 4 bedrooms upstairs. We made it into 3 with an ensuite and walk-in closet. On the main level, again, every level here has the south view right over the valley, which is exceptional, and you have amazing light year-round here. High ceilings, the attention to detail through the home is exceptional. You have a gorgeous formal dining room, you have a wine cellar, actually controlled or climate controlled. You also have this amazing kitchen. This wing of the house, you have this beautiful formal sitting area, TV room, and an amazing office. Double-sided fireplace, again, patio doors out to this gorgeous deck, south facing, overlooking the valley. Now on this side of the house, you got this formal dining room. The attention to detail, again, coffered ceiling and tile into it, so it really accents nice and brings out the wood in the coffer ceiling. As you come into your butler's pantry, you've got the fully climatized wine cellar, you've got a wine fridge, another microwave here, and then you enter into your kitchen dining area, which has its own seating room. It also set up for kids to do work, an office as well, secondary, let's say, and then a beautiful seating area off the kitchen, again, over the valley. Massive island, actually truly is set to entertain on how everything flows. You've got Thermador built-in freezer and fridge, a 48-inch gas cooktop. You have dual sinks, which is fantastic as well. Tons of cupboard space, but you also have a pantry. As you enter this spectacular primary, you actually have 2 walk-in closets, his and hers on the other side of the ensuite. Again, every element of the house has been redone. The lighting package, all the hardware on the doors, absolutely exquisite what they've done. You do actually have a private second deck off the primary as well. And on this upper level, you have 2 additional bedrooms. You also have this huge games room, bonus room over your garage, which is really set for the family to entertain. What an amazing walkout lower level. I gotta tell you one thing, this shag, you could fall asleep on it. It is so lush and cozy, unbelievable. Set to entertain down here as well. You've got 2 additional bedrooms, full bathroom, TV room, and again, overlooking the golf course here on your south-facing yard. Thanks for joining us today on this amazing tour of 116 Hawks Landing Drive. We're finishing off on this massive deck overlooking the golf course and the valley. Actually, I played there today. It was fantastic. The deck out here is finished off, beautifully done, set to entertain for the winter. Overhead commercial heater. It is truly exquisite, and you need to see this property. It's been completely transformed top to bottom with over $1.5 million invested into the property with renovations. So when you're ready to see this, give me a call directly at 403-829-3776. You will not be disappointed.